Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm just here gonna show you how to restore these headlights. They're pitted and oxidizing a bit. As you can see, I'm taping it off right now so I don't get into the paint when I'm sanding. I did not realize my camera angle was so bad. Anyways, let's continue. I finished taping it off here. And just cleaning the headlights first, make sure there's no debris on the headlight. Used a little bit of alcohol and water to wipe down the headlights there, just with the, shop towel. Yeah, you just want to make sure it's thoroughly clean before you start. Just last thing you want to do is sand in some embedded dirt and stuff already. You don't want to mar it any more than it already is. And then, as you can see, I'm wetting the headlights here. I'm using a 1000 grit sandpaper on a sanding block here, and then I'm just going one direction horizontally, so that way. It's just for the practice, really, but I've seen some people use rotary sanders. Those are pretty good, but I'm comfortable with hand sanding here. As you can see, when you sand it, you want that haze. I know it looks bad, but that's how you want it before you proceed on to the next step. Here I am wetting the headlights again with the same solution I mixed up together, but this time I'm going vertically. With a 1500 grit, I believe, and then just to get all the surface area, hitting all the spots. As you can see, all those milky white substance, those are just basically dead plastic off your headlights. It's just coming right off. You always want to keep your headlights wet. You don't want to sand it on a dry surface, especially if you're using a wet sanding paper. There are sandpaper out there that uses dry sanding. I don't prefer that, to be honest. I like to see where and what I'm sanding. I know it took a while with this process. I just wanted to make sure it's a thorough job. So, I mean, it's my car, so you want to make it look good for yourself, right? So, all right, then we're kind of all done here. See all that milky stuff on the bumper. All right, I know it's still a little bit hazy. That's okay, believe me. Just trust the process. And here I am. I'm hitting it with the 3000. Sanding pad. I don't know what to call it, but it's 3000. Just believe me. As you can see, I'm kind of just going right there. I mean, short clip, but I was going all over the place. But as you can see, it's kind of clearing up all the sanding scratches I've made. But it's still a little bit hazy, but that's fine. We can just use an ultimate compound here. Using a hand drill, just your local, drill that you can kind of get almost anywhere, really, but with a wool pad. And then I did polish it as well. As you can see here, before, that was the other headlight. Then I decided to use a jet seal, just to seal it. You don't want to just finish sanding it and not have any sealants on there. I mean, you can definitely use I heard people using 2K clear. I don't trust myself with that, so I'd rather just use a sealant on here. All right, there you go. That's pretty much the final result. I did both headlights here, and yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Subscribe.